Hi there, here we are with our patient Peter. How was the process for you, my friend?
Unbelievable, man.
What do your family and friends think?
They're amazed.
Yeah. So this whole new profile has been recreated with the tiny little one hair grafts all the way around the front. Made it super soft and natural. Can't find my own suture line, buddy. Can't even find it. Look at this. Where is it? Holy crap, man. This is like one of the best ever. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What would you say to the person sitting at home who's thinking about doing this?
Come, man. Come quick. You're missing out.
All right, man.
Awesome.
Thanks so much for doing the video
Are you
for
kidding
us.
me?
Congratulations.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.